There you go.
Is that easy?
You didn't want to wait. Yeah, that was it. Where was your trip?
Amsterdam?
Ah. These are okay?
Yes, it is. A little pulling on the left side, inside my shoulder blade, but a little sharper than normal.
Give yourself a hug.
Yep, right there. Right there.
So there's a spot.
Yep.
I'm gonna take the lower. Is that tender too?
Yes, it is.
Is the top one worse?
Yep.
Okay, so relax. Let's see. Might do hands behind the neck for this one.
Okay.
Oh, did you feel that?
I didn't.
No?
Let it pop already?
I felt something click. I'm gonna go right through here. Right there, nice deep breath in, and let it all go. And one more, a little bit lower. Okay, good. Nice, let's check this side. I didn't have to jump on you from the top rope that time.
That's good. Things are moving. Yeah.
A little bit there.
Yep. That one too.
Okay, so we're gonna do this one this way.
Okay.
And a little push there. Good. Nice. All right. They just needed a little barbecue sauce and
Yeah.
good to go. Let's see. Any tenderness there?
A little bit.
How about above it?
That's the spot.
Above that?
Yep.
Above that?
No.
Got it. And then lay on your right side facing me. This side's coming down, a little push through here. There we go. Other side. Right there. And one more. On your belly. So this one was not as bad, but these
Okay.
two
Yep.
were the worst.
Yep.
Still tender when I press through
A
those?
little bit. That's that first one up from the bottom.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do
That's much better.
a few more here. Okay, I'm going to let that marinate. I'm going to use the massage gun up through here
Okay.
too. All right, there we go.
Awesome.
We got the Amsterdam out of your spine.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Much better.
Good.